going to use our heat press today. I'm going to turn it on. Oh, how about plug it in first? Okay. We want our temperature to go up to 385, and we want our time, let's see, 40 seconds. Guess that's the same one I did before. Okay, we're going to wait for this to get heated up, and we have everything else ready. So using the heat guide, and it has step-by-step instructions so you don't forget the layers. And I'm going to be doing a Marinus compass. I reversed it on the cutout. I have a Cricut blank t-shirt, and I'm going to put a piece of cardstock right inside the t-shirt. I was thinking of using another mat, but I think I'm going to just lay it on one. This is so your design will not bleed through. My design is 8.5 by 8.5. I'm using a 9x9 Easy Press heat mat. And to start with, I'm going to just take any lint off. It's a new t-shirt. It's been out of the package, and even right from the package it could have lint on it. And lint. So I'm going to lint roll it, at least the area that I'm touching. And you can see how there's little debris there, and the little fuzzies you can't even see, but it'll interfere. Now I'm going to put a piece of butcher paper. Butcher paper comes with your project. My machine will beep at me when it's ready, so I should have heated it up before I started filming. The cardstock, white cardstock is 12 by 12, but I need a 9 by 9 image. And once it gets up to 385, so far it's at 335, we will just heat it up for 15 seconds. I'm going to actually time lapse this might be done. Okay, we hear the beep, so I'm going to just warm up my shirt. Sure. This is the only time you want to move the heat press. This is taking out any extra moisture. It has been raining here in Kentucky, so could be moisture just from being around. Oh, I forgot to start the timer, but I'm going to say that was 15 seconds. I forget to push the timer belt. So I'm going to reset my timer, take off my let's see, we want back up to temperature now, and we want to keep forgetting how many seconds we want. 40 seconds. I think you'll get used to these measurements after. So it's been warmed up. I am finding the center of my pattern, which is easy because the top of the Marinus compass is there. And now I'm going to heat it up for 40 seconds.
Nice and straight, isn't it? Looks like it's straight.
I think it's, you think so?
From this angle, it's hard to tell. You get a better angle. That looks straight. Looks straight enough. I think that's it.
I don't mind trying again. One thing about having company is
You don't want to pull it all around.
your perfection level is different than mine. Okay, now we're going to heat it up. I'm going to place, oh, well, not, gotta have layers. Gotta have a butcher paper on top of this. So we have the design, a butcher paper, and the press. And this time I will start the timer. And I'm putting a gentle press on, or gentle pressure. And you just wait. 385 for 40 seconds. Maybe I can learn how to make the video go fast so you don't have to listen to all this rigmarole. Okay, now this is a warm peel. It's also very hot, so you want to be careful. I like to let it cool a little bit before I start. And you can see it's already puckering up. And when I can touch it, it's hard to imagine how hot 385 degrees, 385 degrees is. So we can do it warm. Oh, I missed the bottom of my flower. You are not supposed to do it twice. So I went by 9 inches and I blew it.
You just do the half.
I'm not supposed to, but
Give it a try, right?
yep. I'd like to get that. Okay. I'm gonna stop the video.